In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link drawings to takeoffs in CostMiner. This process, while straightforward, is an essential skill for anyone involved in construction estimating and planning. So let's get started and I'll guide you through it. To begin, you'll need to go to the CostMiner platform, which is your one-stop location for all your construction estimating and takeoff needs. Once you're there, look for the login option. Click on Login to CostMiner and enter your credentials to access the platform. Having your username and password ready will make this step a breeze. After logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of your current projects. Select the project you want to work on by clicking on it. This action will take you into the specific details and management area for that project. Once inside your project, the next thing you need to do is click on Import Plan to link your drawings. Here you can upload different file formats like DWG or PDF files, depending on what you have at hand. This upload is crucial because it establishes the foundation for accurate takeoff measurements. With the plan imported, proceed by clicking on Add. This step is where you begin integrating your plans into the CostMiner system, setting the stage for precise calculation and estimation work. Setting the drawing scale is pivotal for accurate measurement. To do this, look for the ruler icon and click on it. This tool allows you to calibrate your drawing to the correct scale, ensuring all measurements taken later are proportionate and correct according to the real-world dimensions. Next, click on a sample measurement within your drawing. This click marks the start point for your measurement. Following this, click on the point you want to measure to, the end point. You'll now need to type in the actual measurement for this line. This process is how you confirm the scaling is correct, as it adjusts the plan accordingly. Once you've inputted the measurement, ensure to click on Apply. This step locks in your scaling adjustments and prepares the plan for detailed analysis and area measurements. Now, let's move on to tracing areas. Click on the Trace Area option and then outline the corners of the room or space you wish to measure. Precisely click on each corner. This delineation forms the basis for calculating the area. Upon completing the outline, those area measurements will then be displayed in your item estimates section. It's that simple, and there you have it. Your drawings are now linked to your takeoffs in CostMiner. This process not only saves time, but also enhances the accuracy of your project estimates. Feel free to revisit any step as needed, and don't hesitate to share any thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thank you for watching.